with me right now is Miss Gina. All right, Gina P of GP Corporate Personality Enhancement Center. Hey, welcome back to the station.
Hello, hi,
Yeah.
DJ Tom.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I last
Really?
saw you here. Huh?
Early summer?
Yeah. And oh, by the way, where's AA?
AA.
Usually AA is with you whenever you visit the station.
Right. She will be here soon.
She's busy right now. She's orchestrating things at GP.
Correct. I do the launching and then she will do the follow-up here with you.
Oh, cool. All right.
Cool.
Yeah. All right.
Yes.
You got something here that you
Yes, we
probably
were-
want to share with our listeners, right?
Yes, we would like to share our very special promo for those students who may not be enrolled yet or who may have really given up of finding a school that they could afford for college.
All right.
So, one of you out there, I'm sure you would have this chance. We call it the GP Chance to Study promo because we really made it so low, so cheap.
Okay.
For a call center agent's course that used to be 7,000, we're only offering it at 1,700 for you to get a job.
Really?
Yes, and if you enroll within these 2 weeks of June, then you can avail of the early birds promo at only 999. So that's going to be a TESDA certificate course wherein you can easily find a job
You
with
just-
the tie-up call centers that we have. Because we have a lot of call centers calling me and asking me for products or graduates, but I really don't have any more right now. So we're
You-
running out all the time, but they need a
Yeah.
lot more every week. So
Yeah.
who knows, one of those out there who might think they have no chance of studying at all, here's a chance at 999 if you're going to enroll early, or 1,700 for the housekeeping. This is the course for those who would want to go abroad to
Yeah.
work in the hotel or even locally here, or to apply in a cruise ship.
Okay.
And instead of the usual 13,000 rate, then they can only have to pay 3,999.
All right. You just
Yes.
made it more unbelievable when you said you got a something like an early bird rate of 999.
Yes, within
At first,
1,000.
at 1,700, I was like, wow, really?
Yes, yes.
And then 999.
Yeah, and at the same time, we'd like to encourage those kind-hearted ones that they may possibly sponsor, because we will also soon line up those who are really in need, na walang connection.
All right.
So we'd like to line them up, and we'd like to have a list of scholars who wants to be really supported by our kind-hearted souls. So maybe those who are those who can afford to
Okay.
even let go of 1,000 bucks
Okay.
to let someone else get a chance to study and to earn a job for the whole family, then why not?
All
It would
right.
be a pride for you, and I'm sure God will be so happy.
It's gonna be like a sponsorship program of GP
Yes.
for students
For
who
students.
really want to study but don't have the money.
Yes.
Wow,
and
that's
we'd like
nice.
to invite like SBMA personnel or whoever out there who's listening right now. If you have the heart, please call us at 099997864709 and tell us if you're willing to sponsor someone with
Yep.
1,000 bucks.
All right.
And that would be something really, it will make a big difference. If we have like 10 people who would be willing to sponsor 10 other students,
Yep.
right? Why not?
This is one of the best ways of getting to heaven. Make money is sort of like your stepping stone.
Imagine with your 1,000,
Towards heaven.
you're not only helping one
Yeah.
person, you're helping the whole family of that person.
Yeah, exactly.
And then
because-
if in your entire 45 years here, or 65 or 75 years here, at least you can say in your experience you were able to sponsor one poor,
Yeah.
unfortunate soul maybe, but maybe deserving to live a life.
you
And-
help somebody, and that's
with
good.
1,000
That's nice.
Diba? So we're going to promote this with you, DJ Tom, and I
Yeah.
hope also our Subic Bay Radio can keep on promoting this, because may iba naman, they are willing to help someone else, but they just don't know where or how.
All right.
So this is one of the ways. There are also those who are listening right now who may have only enrolled their eldest to college, or maybe their youngest first, so that the youngest could finish at least grade 6 or
Okay.
grade 7 or even high school, and let the eldest first stand by and wait. So this is something for everyone to think about.
Yeah, that's usually the case in we live in a country where
Yes, because in Gordon Heights, I have met a lot of kids who are 12, 13, 15 years old. They have never even started grade 1. And I
Oh.
asked them before, but we have public schools. And they said, yes, ma'am, but we don't have even the fare to go, even to walk. We don't have the money even to go to have a little baon. So we'd rather not go to school.
sad but true. Even
Sad
the
but true.
even for public schools, hindi pa rin makayang
hindi pa rin.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Kasi
because
meron talagang
they need
expensive.
pamasahe.
Correct. Yes.
They need baon, syempre.
Baon.
Hindi naman pwedeng nagugutom, nag-aaral.
And even for the
Yeah.
projects that they have in school, meron naman talaga yung expenses.
Yeah.
So, I think we should open our eyes to this reality that we have some brothers, sisters around who are not able to go to school. So why don't we all gather around? Those who can afford, we chip in 1,000 bucks, and those naman who would like to be sponsored by, because I'd like everybody to meet each one. And that's a graduation day. If you sponsored someone, you have to be
Wow.
there on the graduation day and
Yeah.
meet that person and have a photo shoot with the whole family of that kid.
I can imagine the feeling, no? Pagka, for example, I became I am a sponsor, di ba? And then graduation time, I will meet the student that I sponsored.
And the family.
Graduate na siya, and yung family.
And the family, because we will help the student really get into a job in the call center or even in
That's
housekeeping in
nice.
the hotel. So meet the whole family, because you're not only helping that particular student, but you're
Yeah.
helping the whole family get
Yeah, exactly.
by.
And so far, ba, speaking of call centers, how many call centers do we have around the area now?
Around the area here, we have about three.
Three call
small
centers
ones,
already.
yeah. But the big ones are there in Pampanga, and
Yeah,
of
in
course
Pampanga.
in Manila,
In Manila.
and Laguna. So,
Yeah.
but they're always in need of more. And it's not really a fact until 2015, 2020, BPO will really be one of those that would be requiring a lot of
Yeah,
personnel
exactly.
to get in.
Yeah, the BPO industry, talagang dito yung puntahan
Yes.
na eh. This
Yeah.
is worldwide, dito sa Pilipinas eh.
And even to take a call center course doesn't mean you really want to be a call center agent. For some, they have their 8 to 5 work. Even for SBMA official,
Yeah.
SBMA personnel, they can work 8 to 5, and then after that, they can be an online teacher,
Yeah.
right at their own home.
Sometimes it's just 3-4 hours.
Correct.
Of
Yes. So they have a
work.
way, instead of watching all these teleseries, na, diba? Hindi you be
Which
productive.
sometimes makes their blood boil. And,
And actually, the
Na
same
high
story.
blood
Iba-iba
pressure.
lang yung mga iba-iba. Although, of course, it's nice to be in the in thing, right?
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah.
when you think about it, to be practical about
Yeah,
it, would
yeah.
you rather spend 4 hours getting a job and earning a little extra? Or would you rather just, watch and like that? So this is a way for those who would like to earn a little extra, wherein it's really a need right now.
yeah, all right.
Also.
Okay, so check it out at GP Corporate Personality Enhancement Center.
So
Okay.
please call us 099997864709, and if you belong to an organization, please coordinate with us, and we will really welcome you. And we all want you to be part of the start of this school year, so that we can gather all these people or
All right.
students who can possibly get a certificate through your kind help.
So support the sponsorship program.
Yes. Yun
That
naman
GP
mga
is doing.
nakikinig ngayon sa mga iilan dyan na may mga anak na hindi or hindi pa nakapag-enroll, na meron talaga tayong marami-rami rin, no? Within wherever, whether Subic, Bataan, or Calaklan, or Gordon Heights. Punta po kayo sa GP Corporate
Okay.
Personality Center at tulungan po natin yung mga anak ninyo na makakuha ng short-term course at na makatrabaho.
Yeah. Sometimes this short-term course, ito pa yung mas makakapagpa-asenso at makakapagpa-onlad sa iyo.
Ang
Minsan
dami.
yung
Ang dami.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, for those who are 4-year course graduates of certain courses now, they still have to get a TESDA certificate for the skills training. So,
Right.
otherwise they cannot leave for abroad or what. So, requirement rin yun.
Yeah.
So, DJ Tom, I really, really hope you can, remind and
Yeah, of course.
convince
Of course I
everyone.
will.
I will say thank you to Ms. Ron also.
Of
and
course.
for 89.5, of course, always there. So we'd like tie up with you so that we can have this project with you.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for dropping by, Miss Gina Prohorov, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the GP Corporate Personality Enhancement Center, check out the GP Chance to Study promo. All right, so for more inquiries, you may simply call or text the cell phone number that she announced. And the GP is located at Building P, by the way, Aguinaldo Street, Central Business District, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone, just exactly at the back of Subac. Saying these words, it kind of reminded me of AA. na sinasabi niya kung saan kayo located, the
Alright.
phone numbers, and yeah.
She will be
I
here
miss that
soon
little
with you.
voice.
Yeah, she will be here soon with you.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So back to
Thank
Friday Rewind programming. Here's something now from Color Me Bad. This one's requested from 1992. Friday Rewind song, 80s and 90s music. This one's called All for Love. 89.5 My Subic Bay Radio.